In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a resource from a task in Microsoft Project. If you're updating your plan and someone no longer needs to work on a task, or you've reassigned responsibilities, you'll want to cleanly remove that person or resource so your schedule and workload stay accurate. We'll use the assign resources method, which is the most straightforward way to do this in the desktop version of Microsoft Project. Start by making sure you're in the Gantt chart view. This is the standard working view with your task list on the left and the timeline bars on the right. Find the task that currently has the resource you want to remove and click it once to select it. You'll see it highlight so you know you're working on the correct row. Next, right-click that selected task. From the context menu that appears, choose Assign Resources. This opens the Assign Resources window, which lists all the resources available in your project. In this list, you'll see which resources are assigned to the selected task. Assigned resources typically show units or an indicator next to their names, making them easy to spot. Now click the name of the resource you want to remove. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct one, especially if the task has multiple people assigned. When you're sure, click Remove. As soon as you do, Project removes that resource from the task. You can confirm the change right away. The resource will no longer appear in the assignment list for that task, and the resource names field in the Gantt chart will update accordingly. Here's what happens behind the scenes after the removal. First, the resource is no longer assigned to that specific task. They won't receive any of its work going forward. Second, Project handles the remaining work based on who else is still assigned. If there are other resources on the task, the remaining work is redistributed among them according to their allocation and availability. You may notice their work values increase to absorb what was removed. If there's no one else assigned, the remaining work is removed from the task. In practical terms, that means the task's work drops to 0, and depending on your task's settings, its duration or dates may adjust. That's all there is to it. By using the Assign Resources window, you can quickly and accurately remove a resource while ensuring your plan stays consistent and your workload reflects reality.